What was that? You missed it. I was like,
no, I didn't listen. I heard it. I just choose
ignore
to
it.
ignore it.
You know what song's singing in my head right now? I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Because I know you did not watch my dedicated video to this. And guess what? I'm coming in hot.
I don't know what's in here.
You want to feel my...
I know, it's heavy.
Wait, we gotta say hi.
Hello.
Hey. We haven't done this in a while. I shouldn't be sitting on the rug. Hey friends, and welcome to another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy. Wait, redo. Ready?
Why is that? Are you going blind? Are you getting old?
Why?
Why is your time so big?
I don't know. I did an update and all of a sudden, bam. And I was like, oh.
Okay.
Did you not do the latest update?
Well,
if you do the latest update, it automatically does that to your phone.
I apparently did not.
Yeah, no, you gotta do the update.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Disclaimer, I have 15 layers of makeup on because my youngest, their sibling started driving all by themselves. So it was either take out the whole thing of banana bread that I made this morning or go ahead and put on a crap ton of makeup like I used to. So here, that's what won. So I have a cake face. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say.
Anyways, welcome back to another edition of Ipsy vs. Ipsy, Mother vs. Daughter.
Yeah, and these bags are
Halloween.
like $16.
Oh, they're expensive.
Yeah, and I will let you go first because you're right. Yeah, the bag.
It's cutie. It has a spider charm on it somewhere.
Yeah, and like a
spiderweb design on it. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, great. Okay. My first item is the YC Collect. I would assume this is a concealer brush or like a giant. This would be a really big eyeshadow brush. So like highlight or rub your concealer in. It's nice and soft.
You ready?
Yeah.
What?
First. You got a palette?
I got a freaking palette.
Dang, okay.
So it's by Trend Beauty. It's called Glam Babe, and a lot of y'all in my dedicated video were like, I don't see the dupe for the Natasha Denona. I don't know what you're talking about. It's the Lila palette. I told you all that it was an older palette. So yes, I know a lot of y'all were like, I want to see you go against head to head with, which I don't even know if the Lila palette is still available anymore with Natasha Denona. I bought it back in 2018. But yeah, I'm going to put these formulas head to head and we're going to find out if it's a good, you know, dupe. Because even if the Natasha Denona isn't available anymore and you like the color story. So there we go. Okay. I'm coming in hot.
Yeah, you are. My next item is the First Aid Beauty Fab Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask.
That's actually a really good mask. I have that in the full size. First Aid Beauty sent it to me, and I love it.
Nice. I'm excited to try it then.
So my second item is the BFF Best Face Board Clarifying Toner. Has AHA, BHA, HA, vitamin C.
All the stuff.
All the stuff.
Nice.
Yeah.
My next item, I dropped it. Green juice shot, unless you're 21 plus. Oh well. My next item is the Kupari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid, twinsies tink. Did you do your own nails or are they press-ons?
They're press-ons. They're the Red Aspen. Y'all, you guys have seen them. I got another set of them. Apparently it's not showing because like us, there. Are you smelling my armpit?
No,
it should be good. Oh.
Okay, your turn.
No promises. Okay. This is the Kinder Beauty, I think it is, a lip scrub.
Nice.
I jerked more than I should have, yeah. It's good. It's so good.
Still broken, Mom. Still broken.
I'm good.
My next item is the Real Her I Am Complete Brow Setting Gel.
Is it clear?
I would assume.
Well, then that's gonna work good for you because you have brows. Mine are still recovering from the 90s and thyroid. Alright, so are we really only like 5 minutes?
We're zooming.
We are zooming. What the heck?
I don't know. It's an elf mascara?
But it's full size.
Dang.
I know.
Full size palette, full size mascara. Holy guacamole. You're definitely one. My next item is this itty bitty little baby lip lock lipstick from Jasmine Beauty.
It's called Stay Cozy. That's actually really cute.
Oh, the shade. I was like, what? No, it does not say Stay Cozy. It's Jasmine Beauty. Oh, it's tiny baby. Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah.
It's good. What?
You're like, dink, donk.
Yeah.
Okay.
You won. Congratulations.
Thanks. It only took like half a year.
Yeah.
Or like a whole freaking year.
It's been a hot minute since you've won.
It's literally, this is the October bag. I don't know if like the spireness gave it away. But yeah.
Congratulations.
Finally, I did things. So I was really excited. Are you judging my cake face?
No, I'm not. I was looking at your lipstick. I was trying to determine what color your lip liner was.
It is OFRA Chestnut on the outer. Then it's Gerard Cosmetics Ecstasy in the inner. What do I have on top? I don't know. Truffle maybe, probably, knowing me.
I don't know.
Are you tired? Okay. Alright, so Haley joined us today, so yay. And they're doing laundry, and I'm about to get my roots done. Yeah, so anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for tuning in.
She got to do the laundry.
Oh, that wasn't a hint. That's
No,
just why
no,
y'all
she's
are here.
flipping.
Oh.
Flipping it, yeah. No, wait, I can't let her do the laundry. She uses too many smelly bee.
Okay, well, we're hopping off anyways. Don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size cover girl fashion hauls. By the time you all see this video, we probably have another giveaway going on this channel. There will be another giveaway as well over on my vlog channel, so check me out over there. And you know what? I'm feeling rather, what's that word?
Generous?
That's it, generous. And I'll probably put one up over on my Instagram.
And you should go check out my YouTube.
I didn't want to stress
I've
you
been
out.
posting.
I know you have. I watch it.
I haven't been. I have all my videos filmed. I still film them. I just haven't edited them. And I'm 3 face paints behind again today, if you count today. But I've been doing it. And they're going to end up on the internet. They're just not coming up as I moved.
Yeah.
So
she's
I don't
all
live with
adulty.
either of my parents anymore.
Yeah, she's got her own plane. So cute. So adulty. So my kids are growing up.
Crazy.
15 layers of makeup.
One of us is driving on.
All y'all are driving.
Well,
No.
yeah.
They be driving.
We're all driving.
Growing
moving
up. Living with us.
Working a job.
Well, all y'all have jobs.
I know, that's why I said working a job.
Like, okay, literally, my 16-year-old was like, it's okay, Mom. You don't have to get up early in the morning on Tuesdays and Thursdays and make my lunch anymore. I'm like, you're really going to take that from me?
That's the one thing I have left.
That's all I've got left. That is it. And they're like, oh, okay, well, never mind. I was just going to let you sleep in. I'm like, I've literally been up since 5:45 this morning. Because I've been like,
I got the text. Your sibling drove himself to school for the first time today.
Yeah. So I've just like poured myself into working all day long.
Hey, working hard.
Working hard for that money. So hard for it, honey. Working hard for the money, and I forgot the rest of the freaking song.
My contacts are flipping over in my eye.
Okay, well, we're hopping off for now. Gonna get me a little trim, a little rootity root, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time. Oh wait, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You all rock. You don't have to.
You have one of those?
I do.
Wow, I didn't know that. I'm so far behind.
Yeah. I've got YouTube members and they help out with the channel. So thank you to you all. You're the best. I appreciate you all. Don't forget I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And until next time.
I'm on TikTok and Instagram at LOVHAILEY.
Haley's getting certified in...
No, it's not certified.
Oh, what's it called?
I'm taking a class for basic ASL.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
It's not a certification. It's just for knowledge.
Oh, well, same. It's cool.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Kisses from Kentucky, bye.
wait, check out her channel, and yes, kisses from Kentucky, and wait, that didn't seem like my doohickey. Until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. There it is.
You used to say, as always, have a beautiful, blessed, and wonderful day.
Yeah, now I'm sassy, and I hope you're having a good day, but if you're not, don't put that on me. Wait, that was mean. Was that mean? Kinda. Okay, bye.
Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down.